Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Sharnithaa. How are you?
I'm good. And how are you?
I am also fine. Thanks for asking.
Okay.
Okay. Then, do you know any bird that cannot fly?
Penguin,
Oh. So, why do you think penguin cannot fly?
because they don't have wings.
Okay. All right.
And
Then,
ostrich also cannot fly
okay. Why?
because they also don't have wings.
hmm Do you know any other bird that cannot fly?
Any other bird?
hmm
No.
I think kiwi. Kiwi also cannot fly, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Then tell me more things about penguin.
Penguin will live in the very ice, like Antarctica, like they will be. And
hmm Okay.
penguin, and, mm, and they will be in a grouped only. They will be always grouped.
Okay.
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Do you think penguin can swim easily?
yeah,
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Then why do you think penguin can slide easily?
slide.
Yeah. Slide in ice.
I don't know.
Yeah. Sometimes like we do skating, right?
Yeah,
Skating in ice. They can also do, right?
yes,
Because they have body like that. Hmm.
yeah.
So tell me more things about ostrich.
If an ostrich kicks, it will be equal to 80 tons.
Oh.
And
Okay.
ostrich egg is the biggest egg.
Oh, okay. Okay. And also, I think ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Then, do you know what is emu?
Emu, I heard this name, but I haven't seen it.
Okay. It is second largest bird.
I think so. It will also look like a ostrich.
Yeah, yeah, it is. But it is in black color, I think. Okay. Then, do you know any bird that can talk?
Parrots can talk.
Okay. So, which kind of colors can you see on a parrot?
There are many types of colors like green,
Mm-hmm.
blue and yellow, red,
Oh,
green and blue mixed.
okay. Hmm. Do you know the difference between parrots and macaw?
Uh, I don't know.
Do you know what is macaw?
No.
That is parrot type only, but it is big and having all the quality of parrot. We can usually find macaws in Amazon forest.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. Then, do you know any bird that can see at night but cannot see in daytime?
It's owl.
Owl, okay. Any other bird apart from owl?
I think so. It's bats.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Do you know some interesting facts about owl and bat?
Owls can turn their head to 360 degrees,
Okay.
and bats have the birds can sleep upside down.
Oh, yeah. It hang itself like we hang something in a wall. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm. So did you ever see any tree? In that tree, bats are hanging.
yeah, I have seen one tree which is near my house.
Okay. How do you feel after seeing those bats?
What?
How do you feel after seeing those birds, bats?
Uh, but it won't be clear.
Okay.
So it's there is no clear vision to see.
Mhm.
So no feels.
Okay. So do you know any bird that like to hunt than eat?
It's eagle and vulture.
Okay. Hmm. Then tell me any bird that can swim also.
Swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's penguin.
Penguin, yeah. And some birds can float also, right?
Yeah,
Oh, what is that?
I don't know the name.
I think that is duck, right?
Yeah, duck and swans too.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hmm. So, do you know any more fact about swan and duck?
No.
Okay. Hmm. Then, do you know what is carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous?
Yeah, I know.
So, explain those birds.
What?
Explain omnivorous birds, herbivorous birds.
Herbivorous birds.
Yeah.
No, I'm not remembering it. I
Yeah.
learned this in my fourth, fifth, and sixth grade.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
But I know what is carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores.
Okay, tell me.
What total? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then do you think we should keep birds in a cage in our home?
We have to keep bird cage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes we see people keep a bird as a pet bird in a cage in their home. Do you think it is good or bad?
It's bad.
Why?
Because we are disturbing their freedom.
Mm-hmm.
Because they are, if we left them without caging, they will fly, they will see around the world. But if we put inside the cage, they can't go anywhere.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Then do you know any bird that can sing?
Sing.
Yeah, we call it a singing bird.
No.
Okay. Don't you know about cuckoo?
Yeah, I know about cuckoos.
What do you know about cuckoo?
uh, Cuckoos can sing.
Yeah. Did you listen the singing of cuckoo in real life?
No.
Okay. Okay. And have you ever tried to mimic bird?
Mimic birds.
Like we do acting of anything that is mimicry. So have you
No.
ever tried to mimic birds?
No.
Okay. Hmm. What is the most interesting fact that you know about birds?
Birds.
Yeah.
I don't know about birds.
Okay. So if you could be any bird, which one would you choose?
What?
If you could be any bird, which one would you choose?
Bird.
Yeah.
I will choose eagle
Why?
because eagles can see. Eagles have a very sharp eye power.
Okay. And do you know which bird can fly longest in the sky, highest
That is
in the
also
sky?
eagle.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Then, have you ever visited to any zoo?
Yeah, I have visited to a zoo.
So, which kind of birds did you see there?
I saw ostriches,
Mhm.
macaws,
Mhm.
and parrots,
Mhm.
and it's one type of bird,
Mhm.
but it is looking like a hen.
Okay.
I don't know the exact name of it.
Okay. Hmm. Then, what do you know about hen and cock?
Nah, uh, hens means they will lay eggs,
Okay.
but cocks won't.
Okay. And how do they look?
Um, for cock, something red color will be there,
Okay.
and for hens it won't.
Mhm. Okay. Can you tell me something about peacock and peahen?
Peacock, eh?
Peacock and peahen.
I heard the word peacock, but I don't know what's peahen.
Peahen, like male version is peacock, female version is peahen.
Oh,
Yeah.
uh, I have seen peacock.
Okay. Then tell me something about peacock.
While rain is going to come, they will open their feathers and they will start dancing.
Oh. Yeah, that's interesting. Did you ever see dancing peacock?
Dancing peacock? No.
Okay. Hmm. Then do you think peacock is endangered bird?
Peacock is not a dangerous bird.
Okay.
It's
I'm
a friendly
asking.
bird.
I'm asking if it is endangered bird. Endangered means soon it will die like that. It will no more. We will not no more have peacock in the world. That
But
called endangered.
oh, endanger. I heard it as danger.
Okay. So, do you know any endangered birds?
I don't know endangered birds, but I know some.
Hmm?
I think so. Endangered bird is a white peacock.
Yeah, you're right. Exactly. And emu is also.
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. Then, what do you know about pigeon?
pigeon.
Pigeon.
I don't know about pigeons.
Okay. Like in ancient time, we used to have
Yeah,
pigeon, and it can transfer the messages.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Did you ever see pigeon in real life?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Do you know what is smallest bird in the earth?
smallest bird.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. Do you know?
No.
Okay. Hmm. Do you know any bird that can create home after tucking the wood?
It's woodpecker.
Yeah. Did you ever see woodpecker in real life?
No.
Okay.
And what's the smallest bird?
Actually, I don't know. I think that is hummingbird.
But hummingbird will be big.
Okay. All right. I will search about it. Then I will tell you. Exactly, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. No, hummingbird is only. It's showing
Oh,
hummingbird. Bee hummingbird.
oh,
It is in blue color.
okay,
And also gold crest.
okay.
Yeah. So, what is hummingbird? Do you know?
Mm, I think so. Hummingbird can fly backwards.
Oh, okay. Okay. Then, did you see any cartoon? In that you see any bird?
Mostly I won't watch cartoons.
Oh, you don't watch cartoon. Okay. Do you know any movie about birds?
It's in that robot Indian movie.
Yeah, Indian movie. Yes. Robot 0.2, I think.
Yeah,
Hmm. Who is the actor in that movie?
I don't know.
That is Rajnikant, I guess.
Yeah, it's Rajinikanth.
Yeah. And also Akshaya. Akshay Kumar.
I don't know about the heroines.
No, he is not a heroine. He is a male person. Akshay.
Oh,
Yeah. Then do you have any question for me?
no.
Okay. Then shall we hang up?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome.